AI is advancing faster than ever. Here's the question everyone is asking right now. If AI keeps getting smarter, where do humans fit in? Part of the solution will be to match AI development with technical upskilling. However, there's one human skill it can't replace, and it may decide your future. The future of work belongs to those who know how to combine artificial intelligence with a uniquely human capacity. Oneness Intelligence. In simple terms, it's human wisdom paired with conscious collaboration, and in an AI-powered world, this may be the most important skill of all. The term Oneness Intelligence is often referred to as Oneness IQ, or OQ. It is the ability to recognize our shared connection and act with awareness, trust, and responsibility. It's not about being emotional or agreeable. It's about creating environments where people feel safe, seen, and valued. In AI-powered teams, high OQ turns individual intelligence into collective intelligence. To understand why connection matters more than ever, let's look at what research studies, from Google to Harvard Business Review, reveals. Google spent years studying hundreds of teams to understand what makes teams successful. This research was called Project Aristotle. They expected answers like talent, intelligence, or experience, but the results were surprising. The number one factor wasn't IQ or technical skills, it was psychological safety, the feeling that people can speak up, make mistakes, and contribute without fear. High-performing teams weren't smarter, they were more connected. This discovery changed how we think about productivity. From Project Aristotle, Google identified 5 key factors of effective teams: psychological safety, dependability, structure and clarity, meaning, and impact. Surprisingly, each of these factors strengthens when Oneness IQ is high, because connection builds trust. Trust builds safety. Safety builds focus. And focus drives performance. Today, organizations are racing to adopt the most advanced AI tools, but many teams are struggling more than ever with silos, burnout, and disengagement. The problem isn't technology, it's what's missing between people. AI magnifies whatever already exists in a team. If trust is low, AI amplifies dysfunction. If connection is strong, AI amplifies performance. That's why the future of work must not only be AI-powered, but also be human-centered. According to Harvard Business Review, most team failures happen not because of lack of skill, but because people don't feel safe, heard, or connected. Even the most advanced AI cannot fix broken communication or mistrust. Therefore, the future of work isn't just about faster machines. It's about teams that integrate conscious human connection or oneness intelligence with artificial intelligence. Here is a simple 3-step framework that raises Oneness IQ and strengthens every factor Google's Project Aristotle revealed. Step 1. Create an environment of psychological safety, the being state. AI cannot create the feeling of safety, but humans can, by how we show up. When people feel safe, the nervous system relaxes. Creativity and focus rise. For this, do a simple practice. Before agendas, pause for 30 seconds. Acknowledge the team members in the room. A simple check-in, a moment of presence. This small shift moves the group from doing mode into being mode, and that is where real thinking begins. Step 2. Creating empathetic resonance beyond emotional intelligence. When we interact with people, emotional intelligence helps us recognize emotions. However, Oneness Intelligence helps us to feel resonance. Resonance means feeling the deeper human connection behind the words. Instead of just analyzing someone's emotion, you begin to sense their intention, their perspective, and their experience. Here is a simple practice. When someone speaks, listen to understand the speaker's perspective, not to analyze. Listen for meaning. For the shared human experience beneath the words, AI can detect patterns in language, but only humans can feel connection. Step 3. Allow conscious integration. AI can generate enormous amounts of information, but information alone does not create wisdom. Humans create wisdom by connecting ideas, perspectives, and purpose. This is called integrative thinking. It's what allows humans to guide technology rather than simply follow it. Start with this practice to bring forth collective insights. After reviewing AI insights, ask, how does this fit our larger purpose? This question shifts the conversation from tasks to meaning, from data to wisdom, from parts to the whole. This is how we remain orchestrators of technology, not its subjects. When teams practice these steps, connection builds trust builds safety, and performance follows. AI will keep getting smarter. Obviously, part of the solution to match the speed of AI development will be by skilling. Technical upskilling for AI is about learning how to ask better questions, interpret AI output, and decide what to delegate to machines. But the future of work doesn't belong to intelligence alone. It belongs to those who can create safety, feel connection, and integrate meaning. That is the skill AI can't replace. Hope you liked this video. Please share your insights in the comments section. Thank you.